Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is one of the best breakdown that I've ever made on YouTube. This is fantastic, guys. So we're going to break that down together. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. Okay, just tell me something in the comments below and let's get started. Okay, in this video we will be in the key of C major. Now let's see the first part to see what he plays. Okay. Okay, let's stop it there. In the beginning, you just play a simple run like this. Okay, I have a short piano. I just play it like this. Okay. Okay, very simple. And then he's going to play a nice thing like this. Okay, this is a drop 2 chord. This is a F add 2 chord. Okay, this is on the 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, A C F G, and then in the right hand we're just going to play something like this. Bum 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 bum. Okay, like this. We get it down. We come there on this drop 2 chord again. This is a C chord. We just play it on the 3, 1 2 3. Okay, this is a C add 2 chord. Okay, this, but it is a drop 2 chord. Okay, this in the right hand, this is the same thing as this. Okay, and then now we're just going on this. We're just going to play this. This is as a 7. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Drop 2 chord again. This is a G chord. And then in the right hand, we're just going to play this. D, G, D. And then we're going to get this melody down to go on this F drop 2 chord again. Okay? I hope you see everything. Let me do it again. Okay, and then we're going to play this 5 chord to go on the 3. Okay, this is a G chord, and then C add 2. This is a drop 2 chord again. Okay, E C D G C G. Okay, and then we'll go on the 1 like this. This is C power chord, and then in the right hand we just play this. Okay, D E to go on the 7 like this. This is a G major add 2 chord, but this is just a drop 2 chord. Okay, we just take the second note from the highest, and then we drop it down. Okay, let me do it one time more. This is very nice. Let's continue to see what he plays in the next part. This is crazy. Let's continue. After this, after after this, it's going to play something like this. Or very simple. Okay, this is a melody line that is going to play to go on the 6 on this A minor 7 chord. D, G, A, B. This chord, okay? But it just played very fast. Okay, this is very simple. And then he's going to work this melody down. C, B, A. There is going to do a 2-5-1 progression chord, okay? Okay? 2, 5. Okay? In the reality, this is not a 2. This is a 5, but this is a system, okay? 2-5-1 chord progression. Okay, this is a G minor 9 chord. G, D, F, B flat, D, F, A. And then we're going to work this melody down. We just come on C major. Okay? We just do this. And then we go on F. And then we're just going to play a 1 on F sus2 chord. Okay? This. This is very nice. Let's continue. This is very interesting. After this, he's going to play something like this. Okay, let's start. This is as playing the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Add 2 chord. And then we just come on the 5. We go from the 6 to the 5. Then we'll go on the 2. On the sharp 4. Okay, the sharp 4 is played like this. This is G flat, D, E, A, D, E, A, okay? And then there we will go on the sharp 1, okay? The sharp 1 is like this. This is a A drop 2 chord. This is D flat, A, B, E, A, B, E, okay? Now we go on D minor 7. This is the 2, okay? And then we will go on the 7, which is G major add 2 chord. This is the drop 2 chord. And then we will go on the 1. Okay, the 1 will be played like this, with this nice movement, okay? Okay, and then we will go on the 6. This is very long. Let me take it back for you. This is 6, 5, 3, sharp 4, sharp 1, 2, 7, 1, 6, okay? And then there we're just going to play this, okay? This is a B flat major 9 chord, okay? It's like playing a B flat power chord in the left hand, and there we're just going to play up. We're going to work this melody up, okay? And then we turn back. We come there. This is F at a drop 2 chord with this nice movement. And then we're going to do this. Okay? This. Okay? And then we go there again. Almost the same. Okay? And then we'll go there. Okay? We'll do the same movement. Okay? 2, to go on this D minor 7 with the 11. Okay? And then we're going to work this melody. This is a D major 6 chord. Okay? Let's continue to see what he plays again. There, it just changed the key. He was in the key of C major, and he's going to play something to go on the key of A major. Very interesting. After this, it's going to work something like this. Okay? 6, 7, to go under 1. Okay, this is very easy. Okay? Okay, this is G drop 2 chord, and then he's going to work this melody up again to go under 1. And you're going to work it up again. This is a D flat 7, sharp 9, sharp 5. Okay? And then he's going to work this melody up again. This is a nice movement that he does there, just to play the D minor 7 chord. Okay? Let me do it again. Okay? Just play the D minor 7 chord. And then you're going to work this melody down again. There he is already on the key of A major. Yeah. Okay? Okay? This inversion again. This D flat minor 7 chord. And then, okay? There we are already in the key of A major. This is the 4 chord of A major. Okay? D major chord. Let me play it again. This part is very interesting. This is very nice. Okay? And then let me see what he's going to play again. Okay, there after coming on the 4 chord of A major, it's going to do the same thing, almost the same thing as we played later in C major. This, I'm just going to go from the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? 6, 7, sharp 4, sharp 1, 2, 7, 1, 6, okay? Let me start it for you. This is the 6. This is D major drop 2 chord, okay? This is for the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we will go to play the 7. Okay, this is a E drop 2 chord, but it is played on the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Then we will go on the 3. Okay? There again we will go on the sharp 4. And then we will go back on the sharp 1. Okay, this is a F sharp major add 2 chord, but this is a drop 2 chord. Okay, and we will go on the 2. This is a B minor 7 chord. And then we will go on the 7. Okay, on the 1. And then on the 6. While we are on the 6, we're just going to play something to go back to C major, okay? Let me play that again for you. 6, 7, 3, sharp 4, sharp 1, 2, 7, 1, 6, and then we're just going to play this. To go back to C major, okay? This is a C9 with the 12. And then we're going to work this melody down. Okay? And D minor. Okay? This is what we play to go back to C major, okay? We'll go on D minor 7, and then we'll like this melody up. Okay? There we're already in the key of C major, and then he played a one like this. Okay? Okay? This is a G major 6-1. Let me see all it finishes. Yeah, let me watch it again to see. Okay. This is okay. This is not too difficult. This is a very nice movement. And then there we can play a D diminished chord. Okay. And then we just play this one.